Oh, wie der Schiss wieder Satz zu Breathedge.
And one of these robots is sending a message. By the way, she doesn't have that awful accent anymore.
Frage ist, ob das jetzt wirklich sie ist oder
All the
nicht.
data on the core is classified, and I have no idea where we're going.
Ja, moin, Alter. Mal wieder.
I feel like we're in the middle of a conversation. Maybe each of the have their own dead babe.
Man doch gerade noch herumgeflogen. Da ja, so herum. So wie doch. So. Und dann geht's auf dahin. Wir haben nämlich so doof.
This is the first time I've seen a ship like this. It looks like the Coffins were going to use it to connect the core to the Mutterstation, or they are still going to do it, judging by their activity. I've never realized how incredible an artificial intelligence must be to control an entire galaxy of Coffins.
Okay. Da fliegt irgendwie sowas rum. Schauen wir uns erstmal das Ding da an.
You can dock to this spaceship.
Lol. Kann an das Spaceship andocken.
The
Sehr
airlock
was.
is asking for access codes, and it's using foul language. This is the first time I've seen an airlock with an artificial intelligence, but it's clearly not happy with us. Ooh, we made it very angry by docking without clearance. You should have heard all those expressions. The airlock hates us to the core.
Airlock.
Start the connection. Plan B. I like charades.
Das ist wirklich wie aus der Ding. Wie aus der einfach voll verarscht werden.
A charging station for old battery
Spannungsumwandlungseinheit.
If we can build a voltage transmission unit based on this station, we can power Normandy without melting its plating. What an interesting place. Start the right. This spaceship is definitely connected directly to the core. I can't help thinking that we can use this if we put together a stabilizing unit. An ideal place for a diversion unit.
Wahrscheinlich versuchen wir den roten Hebel dort.
Yes, everything is perfect. We can connect Normandy to the core via this spaceship and activate the warp jump if we find a control post. Then we will only have to... Wait, don't you think the camera's behavior is strange? It looks like it's focusing on the airlock on purpose, as if a mob of aggressive robots is about to... Oh my...
Lol.
Did I learn to see the future and shoot lightning? I had no doubt that I was a genius.
Hä?
Why does she keep interrupting me? Although this time I'm even grateful to her. Perhaps this coffin has become so used to playing the role of a woman that it really decided to help us. Let's connect Normandy quickly.
Lol.
The airlock has fallen silent. It's so quiet. Can you hear it? No, you couldn't have heard it. You can't even imagine how nice it is when crazy artificial intelligence stops constantly mumbling at you.
Okay. Also wir brauchen alle 3 Teile. Okay. Schauen wir, was wir brauchen. Ich glaube, wir werden wahrscheinlich alles dabei haben. Immer so viel Zeige einfach. Erstelle einfach bitte eine Unterleitungseinheit. Plastik-Alu. Magnet, Arcani 4 Harz. Zwei Alkali. Was haben wir noch? Was haben wir? Kompensator, Indiktor. Oh, Generator haben wir. Generator haben wir. Dann brauchen wir Alkali. Kabel, zweimal Plastik, Metall. Kabel, Metall, Plastik. Und jetzt brauchen wir nur irgendwas dann. Lykoplasma. Welch Wunder, dass wir da so viel da haben, ne? Ich schon denke, dass wir es irgendwie brauchen können. Gut, dann haben wir alle drei Dinge. Bauen wir es ein. Es ist so schnell, es ist ja noch nie gegangen. Lol.
Splendid. This unit won't last long, but we don't need it to. One electrical impulse to the core of Good. With this unit, we'll have a chance of not being fried along with Normandy. Perfect. If I've calculated correctly, this unit will be able to divert the excess power away from Normandy.
Jetzt.
Everything is ready.
500 Luftschleuse 5A. Oder?
I get the feeling this message is incomplete. I still don't trust her, of course, but we probably don't have much choice. Where's this airlock 5A she mentioned? I hope we destroyed all the coffins when we came here. I wouldn't fly there without Normandy.
Was ist hier los? Oh, das haben wir schon lange nicht mehr gehört, dass wir so rumfliegen können. Ah, das ist so, dass man Zeug fahren kann. Okay. Dann schauen wir da rauf.
This way, apparently.
Sägebohrer. Wundert mich noch? Nee. Mir wundert da gar nichts mehr.
Neither in a peak spacesuit nor in any other one. It looks like a technical exit for servicing the liner's plating.
Oh, Elektronik. Müssen wir gleich wieder mitnehmen. Ist ja klar. Ist doch klar, dass wir das mitnehmen.
Let's be careful this time. I don't want to get hit on the helmet with
Stock auf den Helm geschlagen werden.
What a strange place to meet. Can we go back? No, no, no. Back is the other way.
Hä? Sind aber echt komisch
I don't like
gegangen.
this at all. These seem to be the personnel cabins, not the control center. That's strange. The personnel were obviously killed a long time ago. Who was shooting who then? Is this Babe? Or is she over there? There are too many babes here, and they were obviously interested in this cabin. It looks like all the coffins ran there.
Okay.
There were some survivors here. These are obviously hand-made control and communication panels. Can you connect me to... Interesting. You can control some of the remaining systems of the liner, including communication points. There's a lot of technical data on the core.
Okay.
Even access codes to secret compartments. Great. I'll upload the compromising evidence and try to send it via all available communication channels of the liner. And then let's find the control center. Compromising evidence uploaded successfully. I hope someone receives the signals.
Dies ist auf alle Fälle wahrscheinlich eine Verbesserung. String. Ja, dann ist wurscht. Oh. Genau, Radar. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Was ein Doktor. Echt gar nicht so lol, Alter. So wie viel Klebeband dabei. Übel viel Klebeband dabei da. Ja, schön. Irgendwas aussehen, ne? Schaut's da aus?
By the way, I've long noticed that there are very few corpses around for such a catastrophe. Where did they all go?
Ich glaube nicht, dass wir irgendwo davon ausgehen hätten können. Lake? Hallo?
Without the schematics for the modules, we'll spend weeks trying to open all these airlocks to find the core control post. There was a serious battle here. No wonder. The core was supposed to be guarded by the best forces on the liner.
Okay. Noch kein Plan. Immer einfach weitergehen. Vielleicht. Hm. Gehen wir gar nicht so nah dran, glaube ich. Anders. Ich glaube, dass wir da anders gar nicht so nah auch nicht kommen. No, gehen wir jetzt noch raus. Schauen wir mal, was können wir hinten da machen? Können wir da hinten aussehen? Ja, nein, vielleicht.
Judging
So.
by the plans, we need to go through that door. So the
Yeah.
access code is 449898333PI. What are P and I? What's PI? Punch it? I was just kidding. PI stands for password input, but never mind. Now we should definitely be more careful. It's not clear where all this mob of coffins ran, who Babe is, what awaits us in the control center, and when all of this will be over.
Plastik haben wir bei uns ganz mehr, ne?
They were killed recently. Someone is a good shot and knows their weaknesses. Pity it burned out. Or she did.
Irgendwas? Nee, kann ich nichts machen.
Intruders on level 1. Terminate.
Is this about us? Wait,
Please put the core back in place and
Intruders on level 5. Terminate.
Das ist
now this
einfach
is definitely
übel.
about us.
Das ist einfach absichtlich vor Portal. Ding. Easter Egg. Okay.
Watch the turret. Automatic plasma guns on board a spaceship. It's not wise to have them, even in a top secret facility.
Wenigstens haben wir nur Ding dabei.
Right. We need to go right. No, wait. I don't know. I don't have any navigator functions. Just a coordinate grid.
Wie? Du hast keine Navigationsdinge. Ah, ich geh mir jetzt einfach mal da. Da glaube ich, wo ich bin.
I'm so tired of you, cockroaches. You've destroyed everything that has taken years of work to create. You are a virus.
Did the door close by itself? This doesn't make sense, but it's very interesting. Break it down.
Why are you so interested in this spacesuit? Your creation of Breathedge. Why are you interfering in the natural course of events?
It sounds like that insane diagnostic station that was trying to get on our radio frequency.
Insane? What do you consider insanity? Isn't it insane to blindly reject ideas you don't understand? Breathedge strives for balance, and you only create chaos using outdated norms of society. The only one who's insane here is you.
I
Ach
didn't
so
understand
ist
anything, but
es.
we need to be careful.
Scheiß Türme, Alter. 6 Uhr erst zu spät, das ist das nächste. Okay. Essen ist voll.
Your attempts to change something are futile. The war has already started, and you can't stop Breathedge.
I've already heard it somewhere. Oh, yes, from those TV-based coffins. Is this really the mother station they were so eager to connect?
TV-faced coffins? You don't even understand their idea, their genius, practicality.
Don't answer it. Just keep quiet. Come to think of it, can you talk at all?
Nö. Überhaupt nicht. Er kann nicht reden. Ah, das braucht so viel Platz, ne? Jetzt so. Legt so viel Zeug umeinander. Was genau soll das sein, Alter?
Wow, what a tool! I won't give you the manual for it, of course, because we still need your hands intact. However, if you'd found it at the beginning of our adventure, we'd have crafted a new liner with it.
Think about how much garbage humanity creates, and how irresponsibly it wastes resources. You are ready to burn your dead bodies, preserve them in
So viel
tin
Energiekerne,
coffins,
ey.
even throw them into space for the sake of passion. You've destroyed millions of species and created synthetic life. You need to change, and Breathedge will help you.
Maybe it might help, but we're already close to the control center.
I won't let you get to the core. Get out of here.
It's starting to panic, and I can't see robots anywhere. I hope they all got stuck somewhere in the textures.
Oh, leg.
Get out. If you can't understand it, you'll just have to accept it.
We could use some help from Babe
Ja.
Is your new reality. Spacesuit, aren't you one of us?
now. Oh no, I can feel something. No, no, no. Is it some kind of program installed by the founder of Breathedge? It's making me... no, it's just an air bubble in the cooling system. Let's find the central panel and blow it up together with the core.
Ja, mir ist einfach so wurscht. Okay, das ist wieder sowas.
They won't let us get to the central panel unless we get rid of them. We need to look around.
Okay. Muss anders machen.
You don't know what you're trying to destroy. If I won't be able to connect to the core, our galaxy will drown in blood. Without centralized control, Breathedge will start a chaotic slaughter, and you will be to blame.
And with the connected core, Breathedge
Oh,
will
sure.
start a centralized slaughter, right?
Fools.
Connect me to them. Oh no, they're still working. It's terrible.
Get your hands off them.
They were all
No.
connected together into a single AI network. Their personality was destroyed, and their programs to help their carriers were erased.
Somebody get them out of here.
Lol, Alter,
This
ich
is
jetzt erst.
immoral.
Somebody.
This is the Mutterstation itself.
What did you expect, spacesuit? That you were created to help at funerals?
Destroy it.
You're an idiot. You're just a sick neuron in my brain.
I'm begging you, please destroy it. Nobody can do it better than you.
Don't you dare. You are part of the great plan of Breathedge. You won't dare do this. I'll find a solution. I'm smarter than you.
That's what I...
I'm smarter than you. Smarter. I'll find a solution. I'm smarter. Yes, I'm smarter than you. Solution. I'm smarter than you.
Habe ich instant das Richtige gefunden? Wie lucky muss man eigentlich sein? Wie lucky muss man sein?
You don't understand. Stop. Spacesuit. You can become the smartest organism in the galaxy. Don't you want to? Don't
No.
you want to be me? You can become smarter. Come on. Make up your mind. Think. You'll be smarter than anyone. You or me. Come on.
Was ist denn hier, Alter? Was ich, wo ich hin muss? Kein Plan. Ah, da. Ah, weißt du, einmal ist so ultra langsam beim Laden und dann ist wieder ultra schnell. Ich hoffe, dass es davor gespeichert hat. Oder wie wir das gemacht haben. Ich habe immer noch nicht dazu gelernt. Ich lerne da einfach nicht dazu. Wir lernen da einfach nicht dazu. Ich glaube schon. Hä? Was ist denn da? Das kann jetzt nicht sein. Das kann nicht sein. Ja, genau. Perfekt. Machen wir nochmal, jetzt wissen wir es wenigstens.
Get out. If you can't understand it, you'll just have to accept it.
Okidoki.
We could use some help from Babe now.
Breathedge is your new reality. Spacesuit, aren't you one of us?
Oh no, I can feel something. No, no, no. Is it some kind of program installed by the founder of Breathedge? It's making me... no, it's just an air bubble in the cooling system. Let's find the central panel and blow it up together with the core.
Geil. Anderes bin du da. Hallo, ich bin nicht im Schussfeld. Wo möchtest du treffen?
Connect me to them. Oh no, they're still working. It's terrible.
Get your hands off them.
They were all connected together into a single AI network. Their personality was destroyed, and their programs to help their carriers were erased.
Somebody get them out of here.
This is
Lauter
immoral.
Anzüge. Lol.
Somebody.
Zieh der
This is
Anzüge
the
an das.
Mutterstation itself.
What did you expect, spacesuit? That you were created to help at funerals?
Destroy it.
You're an idiot. You're just a sick neuron in my brain.
I'm begging you, please destroy it. Nobody can do it better.
Ich versuch's
Don't
doch.
you dare. You are part of the great plan of Breathedge. You won't dare do this. I'll find a solution. I'm smarter than you. I'm smarter than you. Smarter. I'll find a solution. I'm smarter. Yes, I'm smarter than you. Solution. I'm smarter than you.
Great, we need to find the rest of them.
You don't understand. Stop. Spacesuit. You can become the smartest organism in the galaxy. Don't you want
Oh,
to?
Scheiße.
Don't you want to be me? You can become smarter. Come on. Make up your mind. Think. You'll be smarter than anyone. You or me. Come on.
Komm schon, leg nur. Leg nur mehr. Go, 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 go.
The spacesuits would like that.
They would like that? What are you talking about? You were created to become part of Breathedge, part of the greatest system. Like a weak, go, wook. What was
Boot.
that word? Key, wook, no. Word,
Hä?
word. Call.
Da noch mehr? Ach doch, noch mehr.
No. What word? What was that word?
Straight line is starting to falter. We're on the right track.
Falter? You are Falter. Robots, all attack. No Falter was Gong Gong. The galaxy won't falter. Be smart. Don't touch me and I don't touch you.
Und tot.
Don't touch.
Mann! Auf der anderen Seite auch nur einer war, Alter. Ich denk, du musst ein paar machen, aber nicht alle, Alter. Hey, was ist los, Alter? Ja, ich sperre uns jetzt nochmal schnell. Es geht einfach aus, wie wir da jetzt halt ewig da hin und her rennen. Also wir sehen uns gleich, wenn wir die 4 Hauptdinger zerstört haben. Oh, so. Jetzt wird es durch, wenn wir bloß... Ich hab das voll übersehen. Tut mir echt leid wieder. Ja. Das ist eigentlich so traurig, weil es jetzt nicht so interessant ist für die meisten Zuschauer. Jo, moin.
No, watch your head.
Ernsthaft. Ein guter Raumanzug, ey. Oh, das ist jetzt
Oh
ja...
no, we got caught. Oh, the pink spacesuit. Nothing can surprise me anymore. Babe, is she real?
Lol.
We have to go. Don't just stand there. Careful, it's bulletproof glass. There should be a special hammer for depressurization nearby. She's good. I'm starting to like this babe. But she forgot to hold on.
Co jiného song dazu?
No time to ogle her. Quick! We've got more than enough energy. Captain Shepard's autopilot has switched off. Activating warp acceleration. I hope I set the coordinates correctly, and we won't jump into some neutron star.
Jo. Aha. Oh, wenn der schon wieder geflogen sei mit seinem Ding jetzt. Das ist schon also ein Planet, ne?
Attention, attention. Wake up. Okay. Wake up, wake up. Unusual activity detected. Attention, attention. Danger. Wake up.
Wake up! We're already out of warp in Sector 15, planet Earth. However, we got stuck in some debris, our engines got clogged up, and we are just floating. I don't know how you got to bed. I've been rebooting for a long time. But you need to take a look at this right now. It's the Earth's fleet, right? Oh, no. These are not human ships, but the Earth's fleet is here too, so they got our message. It looks like the war has really begun. I'm in touch with Babe's suit. It's going to wake her up. We need to lay low until... No! Wait! You're not going to get involved. According to the Breathedge...
Natürlicher Todesstern.
Although, you know what? Screw this Breathedge!
Jo, nice Scheiß. Ja, wenn es euch gefallen hat, lasst ein Abo, lasst ein Like da. Ich lasse es jetzt noch ablaufen. Es war echt cool. Ich hätte wahrscheinlich auch noch viel länger da irgendwie rumbasteln können und rumbauen können, aber ich wollte einfach wissen, was jetzt da rauskommt. Cool. Also, wir sehen uns dann beim nächsten Spiel. Ciao.